Hello. Hi. Let me start this video off like this. This is the Hills and Valleys pattern. This is day 1 of 100 days of me rescuing my abandoned tutorials. These are the smallest ones I made. This is like my first draft. And I made these with the yarn that Sunita Makes Crochet Items sent me. So these remind me of little biker chick gloves. So I made these shorties, and then I went into my stash and I've been shopping my stash. So this is Icelandic, I believe, Red Heart, and I made these same pattern. This yarn is a little thinner than that. This is like a thick 3, this is a 4. So the pattern calls for a size 4 medium weight yarn. So these are the short ones. So I designed the pattern in 3 different ways. So we have the shorties, which I have a video wearing them in camo. And then we have the regular length without the cuff. So these would be, I showed these in another previous video. It's these and so this is without the additional cuff. It's just the repeat pattern, just an additional time. Let me show you the purple pink ones. Easier to see the stitches and what I'm talking about. So these are the purple pink ones without the cuff, and I kind of really love how they look without, I really love how they look without the cuff. I heart them. I really love them. But I didn't like this yarn at all. But here we are. I love it. And this is the yarn that Daniel from the Paw Ply Guys dyed, and this is called Harvest. I don't know if he has any more of this. Okay, so then I'm gonna move toward this. I'm gonna put these both on, this one on and this one, so you can see this difference. Wait, I put that on backwards. The long part goes on your, so this is the difference. You see, it looks cute with the cuff, without the cuff. I don't know which you prefer, if you could tell me. I'm really loving this one. There's these two I'm not really feeling. See, this one is with a thicker yarn. I made my sister pair these with the hat that accompanies this pattern. And then I made these, which I kind of hate, so I wear them like this. And the reason I hate them, they kind of look cool in this way. It looks like a garden, but then you flip it and there's this huge, like, what is this? You know what I mean? Now, these are the piece that I just love. I'm somehow in love with pink and purple together. I don't know. But yeah, this is the pattern, or this is the yarn I originally used for showing the pattern off. But when I was exporting the video, it gave me several errors. Me deleting all of my editing work for this pattern because it won't export. I spent weeks on this. All gone. And that's what's going on with me today. All the fails. So much failing. What is happening? This was terrible and I'm really upset about it, I guess. It is what it is. I lost all my progress. But it's okay because I can make another video, I guess. So I've had to re-record this whole thing, and this is me re-recording it. For today, what we're going to be using is, so we have our medium 4 yarn. This is Red Heart. I don't remember the colorway. If you guys remember the colorway, can one of you help me out? Let me know what it is. I would love to do a giveaway actually for one of the gloves patterns. So it could be one of the ones I've made, or it could be a customized one if you guys of your choosing of yarn. But I'm shopping my stash and I don't know what this Red Heart is called. So if you guys know what it's called, help me out in the comments. All right, bye guys. See you in the next one.